Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Shopify bulk exports and data security step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the settings section in the lower left corner. Select the users and permissions option. Ensure that only trusted personnel have access to the data. Set appropriate permissions for each user role. Next, go to the products section on the left sidebar. Choose Export to initiate the bulk export process. In the pop-up window, select the file format you need. Click on Export Products to download the data. Once the file is downloaded, locate it on your device. Before opening the file, verify its authenticity by checking the source. Use an updated antivirus program to scan the downloaded file. Next, open the file in a secure environment, such as a trusted software application. Avoid using public Wi-Fi when accessing sensitive data. Consider using a virtual private network for additional security. Regularly back up your data to minimize losses. Implement encryption tools to protect sensitive information. If necessary, audit your data export process periodically. Overall, ensure that all team members are aware of data security protocols. Finally, document the authentication and export process for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.